Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys is magre-review ulit tayo ng isang loan application guys na kung saan ay nagpapautang daw sila up to 20,000 pesos and bagong-bago lang ito sa Google Play Store guys. Ayan. Sabi ito, approve in minutes. Ayan, 20,000 pesos and 0.06% per day. But before we go on guys sa ating review, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe na hit ang bell button para ma-update kayo sa upcoming videos and tutorials and mapabilang din kayo sa mga pag-giveaways natin. Alright, welcome and welcome back sa akin channel. So, in this video nga guys is magre-review tayo ng isang bagong-bago na application sa Google Play Store na tingnan natin kung pwede ba natin silang maasahan in term of ating time of kagipitan. Ayan. So, ayun na nga, sabi sa kanilang application guys, safe and trusted. Ayan. And then low interest rate. Wow. Low interest rate. And then flexible repayment plans. Ayan. And then zero hidden fees guaranteed. And yun na nga, approved in minutes. Minutes no guys. Hindi minutes. Minutes. 20,000 pesos. So, ang loan application guys, ayon sa kanilang about application, ayan, amounting of 1,000 to 20,000 pesos ang pwede daw nilang may-release. And then, duration 91 days to 181 days. And interest rate, medyo mababa daw. Ayan. So, let's see guys kung yung mga nakita natin dito sa kanilang about application is goods ba sila. Okay, let's go guys. So, ang application na ito guys ay Support Safe Loan Application and powered by Excellent Era Lending Service Corporated na meron silang 4.7 stars and 10,000 reviews. Ayan. So, let's see guys kung ox ba talaga ang application na ito. So, upon downloading guys, ay makikita agad-agad dito na welcome. Maximum loan amount up to 20,000 pesos. So, ilalagay ko yung screenshot dyan or dito or mas magandang dito na lang. So, ayan, interest as low as 0.06% per day in term of 120 days daw. Ayan. So, click natin yung get limit. Ayan, get limit. And then, ito na yung mga lagi nilang tinatanong guys, ang ating mga information. So, bubungan sa atin yung educational background, email, marital status, number of children, how many interest loan did you have currently? Ayan, or any overdue in 6 months, total overdue amount, overdue days, number of loans. And after which guys, sa second page na naman ay job status, industry, company name, company address, company phone number, and salary type. Ayan, and then after which guys is ang ating payday or yung salary day natin. Ayan. So, next is yung ating ID, yung pa-selfie ni Mayor, and yung pag-upload ng mga ID, and then yung mga information, ating pangalan, ganyan. So, ang mga ID na kinakailangan dito or pwede nating isubmit ay driver's license, UMID ID, passport, national ID, TIN card ID, PhilHealth, SSS, PRC, Voters ID, Pag-ibig, and yung postal ID natin. So, of course, ay pipili tayo kung anong ID ang meron tayo and then upload natin. Please photograph the front of your ID and your back of the ID. And after which guys is yung ID number natin, yung gender, yung birthday, ayan. And then next is yung pa-selfie ni Mayor. Ayan. So, meron yung mga instruction na nilalagay nila kung paano daw tayo mag-selfie. Ayan. So, next is yung ating contact number or yung mga emergency contact reference. Ayan. So, nangailangan sila ng 5. Ayan. So, 5 na contact person. Ayan. So, lagay natin yung contact information. So, meron yung drop down ay dyan na kung saan ay pwede daw tayong mag-select kung sinong isa-select natin sa ating phone book. So, hindi na tayo mag-enter ng name, drag down lang natin and then mapupunta sa ating phone book. Ayan. And then next is ang ating yun na nga, last name, surname, first name, middle name, and yung ating disbursement channel. Ayan. So, meron dito yung e-wallet and bank card. Ayan. So, ilalagay natin yung e-wallet natin, yung number ng GCash natin or Paymaya, ayan. And next na natin. So, ayun na nga guys. So, next na. So, dito natin makikita kung magkano nga bang ating pwedeng utangin sa kanila. So, meron dito yung sabi dito na use my limit. Ayan. So, in here ay up to 1,500. So, bilang isang first-time user guys is huwag ka nang umasa na 20,000 agad-agad ang ating uutangin. So, of course, ay mag-start tayo sa pinaka-mababa. So, dito guys is 1,500. Ayan, total limit 1,500. Tapos, sabi din dito na if one product are prepared for you to lend you. Ayan. So, hindi na-disclose dito agad-agad or hindi agad-agad na pinakita yung mga binabawas or yung mga service charge na binabawas sa ating loan. So, pwede nating tignan pag click natin yung parang arrow left. Ayan. So, check natin guys. Sabi dito, amount of contract, yung 1,500. And then, 1,000 or 120 days yung loan period. Pero, ang amount amount received dito guys is 930. So, bonggang-bonggang service charge ang kanilang bibabawas guys. 570 yung service charge. And 2 term daw babayaran. And ang ating due date is hindi 120 days. Ayon dito, loan period, 120 days. But then guys, ang amount or ang due date natin is after 7 days. Ayan. So, after 7 days, babayaran natin ng 1,485. And after 120 days is babayaran natin yung interest nila na 15 pesos. So, yung interest lamang po ang 120 days ang duration. Pero yung utangin natin guys is 7 days lamang. Ayan. So, kung okay naman sa inyo guys, ay i-click niyo yung apply now. Ayan. So, nasa inyo guys kung i-try nyo ang loan application na ito. Ayan. So, pinakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano yung process. So, in term of kagipitan, nasa inyo guys. Pero, dapat in 7 days ay magbabayad po tayo kasi nga, mangungulit yung mga agents. So, that's it my video. And sana nakatulong ang video ito, ang ating tingin, inner, or pagpakita ko sa inyo kung ano or kung ano ang meron kay support loan. Ayan. So, I hope naman guys na sa mga naghahanap ng utangan guys is nakatulong ang video ito. So, thank you for watching guys and I hope to see you again on my next one. Bye!